you are. The network is crazy right now. It's really bad. See that?
I look at you with mama. You're my fantasy. You're my baby boo. Anything you wanted, mama, I go do for you. Your prayers and your love has been keeping me going. You taught me how to pray in times of troubles. You brought me forth to life instead of above. Mama me, mama, even kemo. Mama me, mama, abun kegi. I love you from the bottom of my heart. If I offend you, mama, I don't be crying. If you want Versace, ask for Gucci, sweet mama, I go buy for you. I don't be taking over me and you go where to pass. Mama, enter my makina, make a drive you go to church. Mama, mo yege. Mama, your love taking my life. I pray for long life and good health for you. Mama, mama.
You're gonna bear with me, you know, the network is really bad. I can't wait to do this goddamn island. Woo. Forgive me, yeah, Yabolo.
If you want Versace, ask for Gucci, sweet mama, I go buy for you. I'll not be taking over me and you go where to pass. Mama, enter my makina, make a drive you go to. If you want Versace, ask for Gucci, sweet mama, for you. I'll not be taking over me and you go where to pass. Mama, enter my makina.
Hey, Dan, God bless you. God bless you, brother. God bless you, cousin. God bless you. God bless you. So, brothers and sisters, good day to everyone, you know. You know, I don't normally come out today, but however, I decided to do that because of the situation in Benin City right now. Where am I going to start? First of all, I want to give me 1 second. So, 1 second, please, brothers and sisters. First of all, I want to personally congratulate the United States of America, the President of the United States, President Donald J. Trump, a man that behaved like the mega comrade. President Donald J. Trump is a president that is talk and do. Like the tiger and the lion combined. Talk and do. As we understand, President Donald J. Trump, President of the United States of America, ordered United States Air Force strike against Syria chemical weapon site last night. And as the almighty America, who talk and do, or talk or action. He ordered United States Air Force Strike Division to unleash USBGN-109 Tomahawk missile. I repeat, USBGN-109 Tomahawk missile and B-2 bomber from United States Air Force. Akataka. Tomahawk missile. Along with B-2 bomber. The almighty military. Shame on Russia. The Russian government know how to make noise like Buhari government. Or Baseki administration. They make noise, all talk, no action. Russia said, if America attack Syria, they're going to shoot down every missile. Donald J. Trump told them. He said, wait for the smart new missile is coming. Oh. We're going to do it. Don't worry about the network. We're going to do it. Yes. Let me go straight to what I was talking about. As a father of the United States Air Force intelligent military officer, I am so proud of the American military. Why would any father? You know, the network is really bad. I don't know what I gotta do right now. I'm trying to do. Okay, maybe I should use this network now. So you know what I'm gonna do? I just try out that network right now. I'm gonna use that one. So whenever the net. Thank you. So I don't know if you all were hearing me why the network was bad. First of all, let me just go straight to this. I am here today because of Pastor Pius Oru Musele that was killed by the Fulani herdsmen in Edo State. I was not going to come out when I hear this pen machine, the Obaseki pen machine. They are out on the media. They are out on TVs. They are out everywhere. They are spending. So I don't know why the network is just giving me problem, but please bear with me. Okay, here is the question. First of all, let me quickly rush and talk about that pastor. Last year, when I started this campaign against corruption, a lot of people were calling me all kind of names. Now, Fulani herdsmen have been in Edo State. Security votes have been by Obaseki. Obaseki Oshomule and his husband, Dangote, they are busy spending. It's crazy. This goddamn island. Only one way in. You know what I'm saying? So, like as I was saying, the network is really bad. If I can't do it, as soon as I get on the ground, I am going to do it again. But however, we have a message for Governor Godwin Obaseki. If you talk of what Governor Obaseki have done in Edo State, even with the push that the People Freedom Movement have pushed him, you know, by constantly letting him know where his failure is, I myself, the mega comrade, have really helped Governor Obaseki and the good people of Edo State, some of the good ones, and our good brothers of Africans, most especially Nigerians. But however, Governor Obaseki of Edo State have completely neglected the poor citizen. And instead of Governor Godwin Obaseki to understand the fact that if you are the executive director of a state, the chief executive leader of a state, the safety of your citizen, the responsibility of anything that is ongoing in your state lie on you. The buck stopped in Obaseki's office. But I find it ironic that some of Obaseki's supporters, whenever you let them know where Obaseki is going wrong, they will unleash on you. They will tell you don't come to Nigeria, just like what they have done to me. And I have come to understand that the police, there's no police in Nigeria. The police in Nigeria, most of them are all criminals. I have a lot of friends, a lot of my members are police. They know what I'm saying. My value, I tell them secretly, I let them know that my value for police in Nigeria is completely done. Nigerian police have become APC police. Nigerian police is nothing but an organization to extort money from Nigerian citizens. Most especially if you have never been in uniform and you have not wear any uniform, when the police arrest you, they're going to be saying, oh God, please now, please. Now, the moment you give your right to them, they will use you and dump you like a dirty socks or a dirty handkerchief. That is how they're going to use you. The police will even ask you how many family you have in abroad. You know, like AIG office in Edo State, Zone 5. Zone 5 becomes Zone 411. Zone 5 AIG office. When I get to America, I'm going to focus my attention on Zone 5 in Benin. The DC zone, the 2 deputy commissioners in DC zone, they will be extorting money from an individual in Edo State, and instead of them to focus on the security of Edo State, they focus their interest on collecting money from innocent citizens in Edo State, which the mega comrade is not going to tolerate it. That is number one. So for the pastor that was killed by Fulani herdsmen, the question is that who is responsible for the death? Who killed pastor? Who killed him? That is the question. We know that Pastor Pius was a hard-working man. A man, Buhari came with the slogan of farm, 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 farm. Obaseki came with the slogan of farm, 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 farm. This man went peacefully to his farm. It's not a courtesy. He minds his own business. He does not create problem to anybody. But upon what he has done, try to be a obedient, good citizen of Edo State, he was killed. He was killed by Obaseki brother. Governor Obaseki, and I want to commend the family who went ahead and dropped the corpse, the casket, in Obaseki's office. May God let you people, may God grant you people the power to be able to go through this difficult time. I share your pain. You can see my eyes red. It's red on 2 things. Not because I'm tired. It's red because of the next chapter I'm going to go on who they call a GJ. There's one a girl in Benin, an Edo girl, who now happens to continue to like every day. So I will go to that. And because of this Pastor Pius Orumusele, who Obaseki have unleashed in media, propaganda, to go and spend it. You cannot spend. I want you to share this video. Share. If you don't share it because of anybody, share it because of the dead pastor who was murdered by Fulani herdsmen. Obaseki know that, Obaseki, let me tell you, Obaseki have neglected Edo State enough. It's only in Nigeria you cannot criticize the ruling government. Only in Edo State, when you criticize the ruling governor, they will ban you from coming to your own country. Forget it, 4 years is not forever. In 2019-20, Obaseki has a barrel coming for him, a political barrel. If we do not find an adequate candidate for gubernatorial candidate that will challenge Governor Obaseki, akataka. The tiger and the lion will be on the ground. I will declare my interest on as gubernatorial candidate for Edo State. Obaseki, let me tell you, if I'm sleeping, Obaseki, look at my face. If I'm sleeping and I close my eye, free and fair election, you will not even beat me if I'm sleeping. If I'm sleeping and I close my 2 eyes, you will know if you win me, I will renounce my citizenship as a Nigerian. You can never, because everything you have done is on the opposite side of history. Obaseki have completely destroyed Edo land. He has completely unleashed corruption into our land. Governor Obaseki, where is the billions of security vote? Where is it? Since Oshomole and Obaseki came into power in Edo State, Fulani have taken over Edo State. When I said that Obaseki sent delegate to Ijo, people were insulting me. But thank our palace, the truth are coming out. Obaseki have always been in the wrong side. Look at this innocent pastor that is being killed. Obaseki, let me tell you, I am a trained U.S. security officer. I am talk and do. When I say you will not win me, you will not win me. You will not. Forget about it. The next gubernatorial election is going to be youth. Young men. That's it. Forget about it. Forget about Pastor Sage Ezeyamu. Forget about Odubu. Forget about all this, what they call it, Abe, Chief Danobi. Forget about them. Forget about them. We, the youth, will take over the political party. We will sanitize it by any way. Thanks to our Monoba Medoku Akbolokbolo. This time, there's no talks that we use in anything. The youth. I will urge every youth to go and register. As we are retiring you, we are going to retire you, and we are going to retire Godfatherism of Adam Oshomole. Where is our father? Igbenedion. Look, Igbenedion started these useless things. Look, Igbenedion brought all this problem that is in Edo State today. There's no more. Forget about it. You can take your money and shove it in your house. We don't care. Take your money, shove it in your house. What will we do? We are going to appeal to all Edo citizens who have the interest of Edo to please, with collective effort, 100 euro, 100 euro times, just times 1 million alone, with Tompito, Obaseki, APC, PDP, Lucky Benedion administration. If you look at it, Lucky Benedion administration is what's going on. Lucky Benedion is the one that backed Oshomole. Lucky Benedion, Oshomole become a disobedient servant. Then Oshomole came and tried to push Igbenedion out. If not Igbenedion, Osari Osubo would have ruled Edo State. They play what they call hanky-pank game. PDP, APC, they are together. They are the one in power. They are the one. Tomorrow, if PDP come into power, or APC with the camp food is ready to campaign. Why Edo innocent people life have been taken by every day? How long are you going to continue to kill us? How long? What is it going to take for Edo youth to understand that this battle, this peaceful protesting we are doing, is not for my own interest. It's for your own interest. Your own interest. I told you, you know what I problem of Fulani no dinner. This problem of Fulani herdsmen that is coming, it's not going to get to where I am. I told the people. So far, it has not come close to me. I told you people. And I warn most Nigerians, and I warn Edo citizens. But they never listen to me. Apart from our palace, Oba Atokbe, who listen every time I speak. Our father knows that this is my son. He's a very smart man. Very, very smart man. Courageous, dedicated. Whenever I talk, he take the good one. He use it. He won't say, because he's a diplomat. He will not say, oh, who is a Ranomigo? If Palace can take a Ranomigo suggestion, who is you? Obaseki, not to take it. As our father, they have been fighting to collect Edo property from the British government for many, many years. But it has never been so serious as our father have taken it now. That is the next thing. If the British do not want to return it, we will lay curse on them. If they kill people, white people too. Not be only black people cause the kids. Okay. If they not return at a time, we come, our palace will bring Osusumaye. We will rain curse on them. Curse. We will rain curse on them. Curse is justice. Another way to explain it in English, raining curse on someone is justice. If I have ever committed this crime, I will lay curse on it. No, I haven't. Anyone that said I did, that is justice. That is PFM justice. And for those who are going around running their mouth, I don't know, PFM was a cause. You know, the only weapon we have is cause. If the kitchen is too hot for you, pack your bag and bag it, you resign. You leave PFM alone. Instead of it to be a bad head. I don't care if you are my brother, you are my sister, you are my family. When you are on the wrong side of history, I will fry you like a chicken. I will fry you like a chicken. Or you go. You take one right hand, give. You take left hand, collect hand. No, she make again. No, I'll say the girl in Jesus' mighty name. You know what I'm saying? So for a pastor, now he's a victim of Fulani herdsmen, and yet the Edo youth, some of them, the stupid ones, are coming out on social media trying to justify the killing of Edo innocent citizens. Can you believe that? Unbelievable. Who killed that pastor? It's Obaseki. Obaseki is responsible for every good thing that happened in Edo State and every bad thing that happened in Edo State. Why is all these followers are so stupid and dumb? They are uneducated commissioners, uneducated followers, uneducated executive who is not educated. But they have what we call certificate of pamphlet. Common sense is not common. As the executive governor of Edo State, Obaseki will be held responsible for anything that occurred. Just like America is holding President Trump responsible for everything. Why can you take the credit and you don't want to take the negative about it? Does that make sense? Hypocrisy have no place in people freedom movement. Enough of all this hypocrisy. All talk, no action, governor. The hypocrisy in Edo State have become, you can never even use a dump truck to carry it. It's too much. Hypocrisy. Now I begin to see, when some months ago, my brother Kobe here, when they said he brought Osusumaye or something to Lagos or someone, this man, at first when I heard the story, I came out. Then when I continue to investigate. After conducting my investigation, I stay away from the issue. Benin people almost destroyed that man. They almost destroyed that man. They almost destroyed. This is the time I now found out where the only person that is about to be progressed or that is progressing, that is who Edo people are planning to bring down. When they hate you, they will want to bring you down. Edo people. Edo people. Almost all of them. Almost. Almost. Every no man, yowa. Wani wabuwo. Every yowa. Ewo amebo. That is all you people sabi. Now let's come to this girl who played this music. This music that I was playing. This music is a very good music. I have spoken with her many years ago. She's not my friend. Listen.
Love is all I see when I look at you, mama. You're my fantasy. You're my baby boo. Anything you wanted, mama, I go do for you. Your prayers and your love. I think
okay. This music, tell me what is wrong in it. I am urging everyone, if you want progress in your life, support this girl. Support her. Leave her alone. Edo people. If she like, she be lesbian. If she like, whatever she be. Obaseki no be gay. Obaseki, your governor, no be gay. What can he do now? One I want to destroy Benin girl, Edo girl. I want to destroy her. I watch her video on YouTube. Naija Watch, send it. When I saw it, I said, wow. I cried. This girl was crying. What else do you want? Why are you into her life? Does she not have the right to live the life she want to live? Benin people, where's your name in manage your wife? What's your name in manage your wife? Timaya go call now, go make that criminal Timaya when they complain about 40,000 electricity bill no good. You they complain, people never fee earn 40,000 a month. You they complain. Now president say you make you go buy mansion. Why you not live when they come down they sleep with different women? Women will not be your own. Married women they pursue, you don't pursue my own wife, ex-wife. Timaya they talk. This small girl that did nothing. Many people. They want to silence her. No, no mind your work. Is this music not better than Timaya music? Is this not real music? What have this girl done to Edo people? Just like you people continue. She's not my member, she's not my fan, so she don't even like me. But as a leader, a man who protect, who defend and protect individual rights. Even my enemy, I protect them. What have these guys done to Edo people? Why Bini people not like better thing? If our traditional ruler bring out Osisu Mayete swear, it go be good thing. If Eranomigo do it go be bad thing. No wagboa. No wagboa. Akpoku when I'm where you are. Eranomigo is going nowhere. He's going nowhere. We just begin. At the end of the day, it will be 12 disciples that will follow me to the promised land. And I know will be everywhere. I was once a member. Why did I do this? Nobody can influence me in anything. I do what God asked me to do. I listen to the voice of the angels. I don't listen to the voice of the human. All the advice I've taken from people have failed. Failed advices. If it has not failed, why can't they advise themselves and let them be better? These people that you said, I'm giving you advice. Advise yourself. Let yourself be better. Why didn't you start People Freedom Movement before me? Why? What hold your hand? What are your hand? Genofe ubuka. Ferugaga ubufi. Dagmonuji. I have made my name many years ago. I am an icon. A mega activist. Mega comrade, investigator, security, correctional officer, a military family, law enforcement family. I have all this resume lying on my book. Management courses, overwhelmed courses that I've went to the United States. I was studying in America. You know what I mean? Why is that Bini people? Bini man have never ruled Nigeria. Have never done anything. Zero. Anytime Bini man come, they say we want to hear Bini man down. No, go on. Hypocrisy. These people that is not talking now. I can't when you are not ask Obaseki to give account. Hypocrite. Useless, non-attitude, uneducated fellows who went to University of Benin or Unilag come out with a pamphlet certificate who cannot use the certificate. How can you read law and you are not a lawyer? You are not a politician. How can you read economics? Then you will be doing conductor. How can you read management and you are a politician? Then you will read political science. Then you will be working in the bank. That is to tell you that the system is being rigged. The system of Nigeria education is zigzag system. The system is completely damaged. Now the education system in Nigeria, they are on damage control. A so-called Professor Welo Sheika could not even control courts that he brought. Could not control it. You will not tell me to go and vote for a professor like Welo Sheika who could not control courts that he created. Where the tiger and the lion, I can control People Freedom Movement that God Almighty helped me create. That is called management. I manage it well. If it do not favor you, or it does not favor you, then you can be going and be crying and say, hey, damn you, can't damn you, mega million worth more than 200,000, 200 million naira movement. Do we even a contribution plan where you only a mega million more than 200 million? Can you bring 10 million? No, you cannot. You cannot. Advance your 1 million. Because you are who ahead. Yeah, never worry. Yeah, I know you walk away. Why should you and then you mind your business? Leave this guy alone. Focus, channel your anger towards the government. Government are our problem. Political bad leaders are our problem, not individual. If Obaseki step out of governor today, I will be the first person to say Obaseki will talk way. I will respect him if he did something good. But if he did not do something good, I will continue to recurse on him. If I'm the governor of Edo State and I do nothing, recurse on me and my entire family. It's automatic. It's on video. But if I'm doing something good, you praise me and praise my father and my mother. That is it. That is the truth. When people do not find great on their way, how can you think by you just being a follower or a member? You will just think, oh, and now I can influence him. That is corruption. Corruption is not for money alone. When what you said is not going, you say, you just put 10 million. Let me see if you will listen to anybody. It's stock. Put stock in a stock market. If you don't protect your stock, let your stock go down. Simple. I don't come online no more and say, if I need money, I will come online and ask. The reason why I didn't do it, when I was putting account, my advisor called me and said, hey, Pa, how much have you get from this account number you are putting? Hey, come on, mommy. Okay, why are you putting it? And I want to get it out. I still give her credit. But there are other advice that she gave me I didn't take. I took the one that I like. The one I didn't, I leave it. But she might not be happy because I pick and choose. That is what I was taught in school. You pick and choose your battle. I studied in America. That is the fact. I have overwhelmed lessons, too many lessons that I can use. I can never be stranded in my life. If I choose to do security, I will do it. If I choose to be a correctional officer, I will continue. If I choose to be a detention officer, I will do it. If I choose to be a body, I will do it. If I choose to be a special force, I will do it. If I choose as an investigator, I can do a private investigation company, a mega company. All these people that you should shot me, how many do you have? 0. You cannot even pass your driving license sometimes. Exactly. You went to University of Benin, you come here and be back in the days when I was in school. I was a grammar talker. America changed that mentality. You cannot come to the United States and come here and be speaking vervuju and you think anybody will understand you. Nobody's going to understand you. They will not even. A lecturer from College of Education Ekadolo was told that he doesn't know how to count money in Dallas, Texas. When I call it Dallas, Texas, people say, oh, he put RS. Dallas, Texas. That is how it's called. If anybody in America who came home and trying to call it Dallas, Texas, you know they are trying to. That is what we call political correctness. Political correctness. They want. They are doing political correctness. They want to make it feel like that is how it's done. No, it's Dallas, Texas. Dallas, Texas. That is how it's called. Every Nigerian come and say Dallas, Texas. They don't know what. They have not stayed long in America. They don't know the rule, how it's called. They don't know nothing. They know nothing about America. I work in the prison. I stay with an American. I live there. I work in the prison. I work in the jail. I live with them. I work as a manager. I manage AutoZone. I manage Windows. 24 hours. Buckner Legion Road, Dallas, Texas. I was the manager of that maker. I managed that place. For an African to come and go there and manage it, let me see how you can do it. I manage Windows. I manage that. I become the owner of Osas Moro, Dallas, Texas. Less than 2 miles from D-Town, from downtown Dallas. Who are you? I am the one that introduced Edo people, who brought Edo people into car business in Dallas. My car business was damaged in Nigeria. Well, I have people there. We package it for them. They will not pay you. They will give you a half check. At the end of the day, they want to kill you. They destroy my. When I said I lost in car business, I lost because of Oshomolek and Obaseki and their gang. Because they have unleashed talk. Rich people want to kill us in any way. When you are in Europe, you also and you take a car home, they have learned what they call rich stealing. You want to sell your vehicle 10 million. They will tell you, I'll pay you 10 million. They will not price and you'll be happy. They will give you 5 million cash. They will say today, They will tell you, bring the vehicle on Friday, you go there on Friday. You gave them vehicle, they gave you 10 million. Or less, they give you 5 million. Say, balance 5 million, come tomorrow morning, the bank is closed now. They will make sure they schedule you around 4 or 4:30 before the bank closes. Immediately, if it's 4:30, they say the bank is closed. They will tell you, just come. Give me 1 second. Let me pause this. They will tell you, just come on Monday and get the balance money. Someone that gave you 5 million already. Balance. Are you going to take the vehicle? They will say, no, you can hold the paper of the vehicle. Me, as a man who believes in transparency, who do not know that they can forge papers, you will give them jeeps. You will give it to them. Guess what they do? That instantly, immediately you leave, they will take that vehicle and register it. Do you know how many jeep paper are with me? The original document are with me. Those jeep are driving in Benin today with license, without the original paper. When you go back and ask them the money on Monday, they will say, Honorable not there also. You go Abuja. He did with Governor Shomole. He did government house. You will call and you will say, I just did with governor now. I'll call you back later. Before you know it, you complain. A phone call will ring. Now Governor Shomole boy, now you want to go, I beg, make you just leave him. Now Governor handle. That is how they destroy my business. They destroy it. I just give you an example. But when you talk people who think they went to school a little bit, they rush. They don't. When I watch video, I pick the points. They don't pick the point. They will say, where am I going to work? Enough, you don't know how to do it. A fool. As my age, I have achieved more than what Obaseki have achieved. Your money is not everything. I have made money more than Obaseki. Genuine money. The money you use your hand to work. I am more educated than Obaseki. I am smarter than Obaseki, but not in criminal smartness. Obaseki is very smart in criminal way. Look at all these graduates who say you went to University of Benin. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Or you went to AAU, you went to Ekadolo. You are online. Is it online you went to go and study in university? Do you go and study in university and say, I want to be an online talker? Or you want to be an online barrier to others? Is that what you study? The money that your father spent on you for education is completely a waste. Why can't you pack your CD, pack your resume, prepare your resume, go and look for a job and work with your education? You are not. Then the other one will come, I am comrade this and comrade that. Do you want to go and study comrade in university? Ask yourself a question. Sit down and say, this is Iranomigo. He makes sense. So I went to university. I have master's degree, which Iranomigo don't have. I am a professor. Master degree that you study is pamphlet education. My own is real. Doctor in anything that I do it better than anybody. Ask yourself, why can't I just listen to Iranomigo? I study economics or I study agri. Why can't I just go and reach a farmland and become a mega agriculture businessman or mogul? Or I study marketing. Why can't I call this Iranomigo? Let me see if I can connect with him in America. Let's do business, marketing. That is my field. Or if you went to go and study political science or law, why can't you open up a chamber? Call me, let me give you a client. If you really study law, if not pamphlet. I call a lawyer in Edo State. I say, are you a lawyer? He's one of the best lawyers in Edo State. People were sending me his name. He's a big lawyer. Only one question I ask a lawyer, a mega lawyer in Benin. I asked him, I said, what is your field of profession in law? He said, what do you mean? I said, what are you specialized in? Are you a defense criminal lawyer or what are you? Civil lawyer or what? He said, oh, we are doing all together. I said, no, you cannot do all together. You have to have your field. There are immigration lawyers, there are criminal defense attorney, there are civil, there are different kind of feed that you can follow. I'm not a lawyer, but I know what I'm saying. I asked him. He didn't know. A lawyer. He didn't know. He told me, say, I handle all cases. I said, no. If you handle all cases, you are not going to be winning because you have to have your specification, your field in it. Then they said, yes, I have friends that do. I said, okay, how much will you be charging? He said, we charge on case by case. I said, no. You have to have a client as a lawyer. You have to have a client that already registered with you. You are their Anthony. No matter whatever happens, they pay you every month. That is how lawyers make money in America. They pay you every month. If it's $200, it's going to be $200 every month. So whenever they have case, there's no extra charge. You go there and represent him. So then you have constant income, guaranteed income. Guaranteed income. But this lawyer in Nigeria, no. They arrest for DPO stealing. They will go and represent you, call DPO. DPO, take this one, make I take this one. They will come and tell you this case is big. They destroy your farm. They will say they be the lawyer. You have an accident. They will say they be the lawyer. They slap you. They will say they be the lawyer. You want go case like Pastor Sage Izeyamu carry Obaseki go case. They come. They say now there's a big job political case. They carry Sage Izeyamu go there. They destroy them. Lawyer not be lawyer. Lower court they fail. Upper court they fail. Supreme court they fail. And yet Pastor Sage Izeyamu. Let me tell you one of the reasons why I'm angry with you and you are watching. You are a big fool. You are my brother. How can you take a lawyer that did not win one case for you, one case, and today is still your lawyer or is your friend? That means the APC have given you money secretly, like I heard. They have paid you, they pay you off, but you do not want to tell your boys that are suffering now. They are suffering, they cry to me. They cry to me, they are suffering. Danobi sit on top of 800 million. You and Danobi, you become Danobi personal assistant, PA. And tomorrow, 2019 or 20, you will say you want to come out. For what? Come to where? Come to where? I swear to God. If you ever come out, you say you want to go for gubernatorial election, me, let me tell you, I will be number one to campaign against you. Campaign against you. If PDP, APC don't want to give power to the young, it is time for the youth to retire. Tell me what is bad in this. You don't want to be a governor. You want to be my leader. You want to be calling leader all the time. 50 years old, you are still calling my leader. Hey, where? Are you not ashamed of yourself? Buhari, have they come to that one? People are dying left and right. Here you are online, routing online, coming online, telling me, hey, Ranomigo, you caused this when you went to university. Did you went to university because of Ranomigo? Is that what you studied in University of Benin? How to come and attack Ranomigo? Is that what you study? Tell me. Why do I have interest in Nigeria? I am a security man. The security of our citizens, our dear lovely country, right now, is hanging in the balance. If we do not take adequate action, those who are put on uniform in Western world to come and educate so-called security officers in Nigeria, law enforcement agencies, because they think they know it all. How can you come to Washington, D.C., you come to Maryland and do 1 month course as Nigerian Army, or come to Scotland, London and do 3 month course as Nigerian police, then you would think you know it better than me that is doing it for many years. If you know you know it better than me, why didn't you just do it in Nigeria? So it is time for all these Nigerians who are law enforcement agency to pack their bag and go to Nigeria and secure their own land. Build your country like the country that you are living in now. I'm not saying Ranomigo should build it. I have done the whole job for you people. I have bring an awareness. Now everybody is saying Buhari must go. But Mega Comrade started it. Everybody are coming out now. The youth are coming out now. I have done it. My job is done. Well done job. Mission accomplished. When I came into social media, I told everyone that I am here to create what I call awareness, impact. Go back and listen to my video. Awareness, impact. Psychological impact. And reality impact. I've done it all. So you can go there and say, that is shame on you, now your problem. Today, Nigerians can come out and speak their voice. And it's all Buhari. While they are busy looking for the big fish, they are busy looking for me. Others are coming. That is what I want. I create a vacuum. They are chasing me. But others are coming. They will pass. And they will retire them. I will become hero. One day, I will be welcomed in Eagle Square as one of the icons who helped bring Fulani APC Buhari administration down. If God can touch the great people to know who really fought for it. But so-called political vultures, children, they are parasites, the worms, they will not give me the credit. Because they have money to pay the media to feature them on the show. They can bring out 10 million and say, I want to be in your show today. And they will feature him. Mega company don't have. All my money is gone. I put it on PFN. Every penny I get, my family is on PFN. I want to ask everybody a question. If you have contributed $200, $300 to PFN, when you tell me something, I don't listen, will you be angry? Of course. Will you try to protect your money? Of course. Why can't you think 200 plus million naira that with collective effort, 3 people own that money? No, 4 people. Almost 200 plus million. 4 people own it. Why can't you think these 4 people are controlling it? They want to protect the empire they have built. I didn't just come to social media and say, I want to do this. I want to do that. I want to do this. Every move I make is for PFN. Every place I go is for PFN. I'm here now, it's for PFN. But I come out and say, I'm just here having a good time. It's a lie. Do you know how many officials who have flew from Nigeria to come and meet me here? That we have had a meeting, nobody know. No, you don't know. Do you know how many Governor Obaseki people who have flew down here to come and meet me? You don't know. You don't know. Do you know how many military officers who have came here to meet me, or police officers, high-ranking officers, AIGs, commissioners, that we are free to be able to talk? You don't know. I am a very smart leader. I'm not as dumb as you think I am. I am a noise maker, like you said. My noise will shake your head and make you do what you don't want to do. Just like he's shaking Obaseki's head. He's making Obaseki to do what? Obaseki, that is a fraudster. Obaseki went to Nigeria and told them he's educated in America. Obaseki have not spent 2 years in America. Obaseki is not an American. Obaseki is a visitor in America. Obaseki doesn't know anything in America. Obaseki value is not American value. Iranomigo value is American value. I cannot wait to stand on a debate stand with Governor Obaseki. Let me question Governor Obaseki. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. Let me question him. Give me the bill. Tell me where you pay the goddamn bill. Where is your school? Where did you study? Where did you went to your academy if you went to academy? Let's say you went to Correctional Academy. Where did you went to Correctional Academy? Where? Show me. Tell me where you base, where you live. Everybody know where I live, Dallas, Texas. When I came to America, I was in New York. I left New York to visit my uncle in Dallas. When I got there, the rest were history. I've been living in Dallas. I don't move every time. I've lived only 3 houses. Sometimes I stay 11 years in one place, 10 years in one place, 5 years in one place. I am a man that feasts home. I make place comfortable. I am a feaster, not a destroyer. If Obaseki wanted to build a garage, why did Obaseki not dig hole? Dig all these Edo youth that don't have job. Why can't you make them start digging hole and build underground garage in Ring Road? Is that not job opportunity? Job opportunity. Underground tunnel. Build it under Bobiswa Market. Instead of you destroying that man's store. Destroying, wasting 800 million. Tony Kabaka no ya destroy Bobby. When I go with proper church way. If I bought ya kulelewe. Iye rotten work no maka me mata no roti wata. Ya me mata e mata gboma. You and Bobby's one are the same family. We not be family. But the truth I have to speak it. Tony Kabaka that lead people in the overnight to go and destroy your own uncle property. Why did you tell Obaseki? To build underground garage and hire the youth. Common sense is not common. Now how to take smoke igbo, how to take smoke cocaine. That is all you and Obaseki know. Crackhead friends. Oshomole goes take crack. Take crack. You don't see when you wipe the drunk, when crack don't they you wipe drunk, get up. Look at all the money now. Oshomole have taken a Edo State money to Cape Verde. He have taken it to Cape Verde. That money is not in Edo State now. The money is in Cape Verde. Edo State money. Why the Edo citizens are dying suffering? How long are you going to do this, Edo people? How long are you going to do this, Nigerians? You allow Muhammad Buhari to even, if not me, how many Nigerians go to High Commission and be saying Buhari must go? It is me. The awareness I created in London, I did it on my own 2 times. What I did 2 times, they could not do it with their crowd. That is to tell you how we will continue to suffer. Instead of them to call me and say, Mega Comrade, you are the one that started this fight. Just like America respect people, Martin Luther King, who started things. To give credit to where credit is due, they went to go and do his zigzag. When police come, they started speaking their civilian language. Law enforcement have language. We know how we talk to each other. When you are an officer, you see me, the way you speak to me is when I will know you are an officer. When you are a civilian, you speak to me, you speak your civilian language. They are not going to respect you. They are not going to respect you. That is the fact. Code of conduct. Let them know you're right. Let them know you know what they know. They will respect you. But when you go there and say, officer, they know that you are just a common civilian. And they can push you around. You don't know the rule. You don't know the law. Like the other guy that we are challenging, the Minister of Petroleum in New York. When the New York police officer came in, they said, oh, you can leave the premises. No. There's someone that paid in the premises. You were invited there. No. It's not your duty to come and police civil rights movement. You cannot police us. We have every right to speak. Wherever we want to speak. You can come outside that building and stand your ground outside the building. That is government property. You stay there and do whatever. Instead he left because he did not know the police just came there and bamboozled him, push him because police want to go to lunch. They don't want to write report. Report is the worst police officer want to write. Report, they don't want to write it. When you tell them, arrest me, don't you see how many times I've been praying for them to arrest me? They never arrest me. In London, as they arrest me, they don't. Because they know once they arrest me, they're going to write a report. Me, I will not talk. That will create a free media coverage for me. I am the only Mega Comrade who is praying for that. How many people pray for arrest? Nobody. Arrest me and tell me why you arrest me. Then, I will draw the international media on it. Then the whole world will now know who is called Obaseki in social media. Who is called Tony. Like these people now, they say that they are waiting for me in Italy. And I'm coming to Italy. And I'm coming. Very soon. From where I am now to Italy is 2 hours. I am coming to Italy. The first thing I will do is to call on media. And I know that boy is a Curtis. He's an Aye man. Aye, ask me, I walk in. And a guest in Nieve, he rent house for guests. He's a human trafficker. Why begin? This are human trafficker. I don't want to support it. No way, very social media. I'm an investigator. I already get everything. You an man. You are fine. I know back tell you wait. You shouldn't do it. And here you come out. You say you be Benin person. You be this. When you are still practicing courtesy. You are still practicing courtesy. When I am back, I will put you in a big problem you cannot get out of. I will torpedo your entire career. You, why everybody that is a year or whatever, go and warn him. Don't let him bring stain to you. Go and warn him. Tell him to stay away from PFN. Warn him. All my members, I don't know what they belong to. They belong to every group. I get every children in the whole world. Even some of them, they are criminal doing rehabilitation on them. I'm rehabilitating them. People freedom movement is not a movement that you can play with. We are no discrimination movement. We get pastor. We get Ogmaige. We get Oloku. We get native doctor. We get prophet. We get apostle. We get everything. We get people when they call problem. When they take problem, visit you, we get them. I know they shy away from it too. And they embrace everything on one common goal to eradicate corruption. If you know you feel fly, fly. Go kill all the old politicians for night. Now pray, I go pray for you. Bad corrupt leaders. Make you fly, kill them overnight. I no go worry. If I do bad, kill me too. But if I not do bad, let me live long. So, if you know you belong to that group, and this boy in Bologna, call your group member, it's Tony Kabaka Grant. These are Tony Kabaka said that he left in Bologna, a Curtis. I will make sure that I tell the Italian police, you that to do a lie detector test, for you to take what the American call polygraph test, if you are a yay or not. That's it. That is it. Me, I will do a lie detector test. If I wish you bad, you take it. Simple. You don't know what you have put your leg into. I'm not going to fight you. Hence, you have insulted me. You brought the Susumaye to do whatever you want to do. I leave everything for God. Let's see, God will fight for me. God will fight for me. And all the pastor, Juju, Esago, Ogmaje, everybody, any organization that is with me, they will fight for me. I have a cell phone on my mouth. Instead of you to join the youth, to join the moving peaceful train that is moving to help the poor citizen, you say na lie. Na Kaba you want join, na Tony Kabaka you want join, you want make name. You go make name with Tony Kabaka. You go make name. You are a Curtis. Oba say we should stop courtesan. Courtesan must stop, but you say you not go stop saying na Bologna, you lie courtesan not go stop. You carry and put for head. Aye, uhi. I don't get every of your picture when you do the sign. I don't know what be the sign. They don't. Your member, some of your member will be my children. They are my children. They have renounced it. Say, oh, Monoba say make them stop. They don't stop. And you went ahead and started writing petition against Curtis. If you know, say you come from Eye, what do they call Eye? These boys don't write petition against Eye people in Edo State. So if not be Eye, when Monoba say make them stop, these boys saying a lie. He want to fight between two parties. Make una they call and make una ask him. As he write the petition, they know say Mega come, everybody know me. Me, I'm the father. Father of freedom. You know say you be Curtis and you are still practicing Curtis. You take your paper, carry many house in Bologna. You carry some for your guests. Guests when they work for you and your wife. Is that no human trafficking? Not be that one about saying could stop. Even a few days ago, you were in the party to say that you get police come, make you tell them, say, now there you they stay, and not be there you they stay. We go dig you out. We go dig you out. Legally, with law enforcement agency. Carabinero go dig them. They go see them. Why, how much money are you making in your work? How do you afford to be paying for all these houses? How? These girls that you put in this house, where are they working? I am an officer. The last thing you do to a police officer is to threaten them, or a security man is to threaten them, or a military officer to threaten them. Minus that, I am a father to U.S. intelligent Air Force officer. If I don't know anything, my son will teach me. It's only a fool that want to pick a fight with me. Even if my power is not enough for you, don't you know my son will come? Or they will just pick up a phone and call any military base close to that place, U.S. military base. Oh, I am on disclosed location. My daddy is there. I need you to give him support. That's it. Officer Adegbe. Ikra, he don't hang or finish. They go carry the problem. I not be ordinary man. I be mega in all way round. God have blessed me. God have blessed me. God Almighty have blessed me. As a normal either you join me and become mega, or you go try to draw elephant leg. How can you pull elephant leg and it will fall? It's impossible. They don't come. They know the season. You see, they know the season. So that is for that one. Let me go to this. I want to tell Governor Obaseki. As you understand, you are an eloquent speaker. You can speak very well. And you can steal very well. You can plan very well. But what you don't know to do is helping others. Helping the Edo people, doing the real job. You can see my eyes red. You make it red. I want you to know, this is a direct message to Governor Obaseki and the PDPs. Edo State Governor will be youth in 2020 in Jesus' mighty name. He's going to be a youth, not more than 55 years old. That's it. From 40 years, he died 40, even 30, we don't care. It don't matter how you're going to do it. So I want you to know, if you want to eat Edo State money, continue eating it. Justice is coming. As Oshomole, let me go there. Let me bring it out. Let me log in. Let me go to the next chapter. I started this by myself, on my own. I was doing it very well until when I listened to advice. And the person that gave me the advice was the person that later come and beat me and fight me. He gave me an advice of what was happening in Benin. Immediately I put myself into his advice and followed him. That is where the problem started. But he was the same person when Omweme Bumeri. The same person was the one that were not joining them to fight me. I know where problems begin. I did not come on social media to come and make problem with people. But they brought the problem. As a problem solver, not knowing that they lie. They were liars. They were users. They used me. They used me and dumped me. He used me and dumped me like a sack of potato. What's you mean now? Thinking he will fall. All day, he will fall. When you see that he didn't fall. Hey, I mean, I video. You want pay? He win. I mean, I video. You win or pay. So what make you think a fool cannot be fooled twice again? Fool me once. Shame on you. Fool me twice. Shame on me. You fool me one time. You fool me for the second time. Shame on me. You know what I'm saying? My life is not at the come life. When you first hit me, if I did not survive it, I'm in the grave. Will you look for me? No. Will you come to the grave and wake me up? No. The problem you created for me, if not because I did not go to Nigeria, the same you were the one calling me come to Nigeria, come to Nigeria. When you know that you are the 90% of that problem, creator of that problem. You were telling me to come to Nigeria. Thank God Almighty. I did not follow you people advice. I follow what God asked me to follow. Now, I cried to the palace. Palace responded. They shield me with Osusumaye. The Omonoba Nedoko Baba. He shielded me with Osusumaye. Honor Yebo. I'm a bomb. Osusumaye no Miami offended. Honor ya protected and omigo. Okbe ogono. Or when ye cut is ya beamo. Doni and we are ye cut is a beameno. I told the Kabaka we pane. Wame pane. Or by panel, the Tony Hirio, a panel of Bawi Movina, be the no Tony Cabacano Viado. No watching in here, yak, no will go all our betoni. A mamma no one that Bobby's one war, Nasunu, a Bobby's one Makuru, no subo, you bono, or twin on your own, or twin era, or sime, in your mammy, or your mammy, no. Yavi, if Yavi Bobby's one Mosia, where Bobby's one Mosi, or Muyu, we were win of fear, Effie. He really trusts anything. Effie. I will always remember the name, not even when in a moment. Irano me money. Chief Ayobaha Edayi of America. I do to boy a moment. Edayi of America. Now I know. Go and ask Melo Ejokbolo, the Honorable Melo. Iwari ogoneke wu. Omonori ogono ma beri ogona. Iwari ogone chifadu. That is the truth. Why ya no ya ba o ge marima. Ma we be se baba. Ma no wi pa no ye gwa no wi ko re ya gwe. Bobi so no bi atu ko. Wo re o la wa gbe. Do we ere ka we ra de. O do ha we ira ya gwo ba do le do yi. O ni ma gwa lo. O ma ke na re la wa. Na. We no she na ye do tona. Ọba keke na rie lawa etoni kabaka pa we la jan we ihoni ko pa dole to yi iri gbolo ma I will forgive her omodan gabi o we jagbo a bo na we yagbo we ma ya sekegbe I will forgive her I will rie lawa. People are there just talking. Do we my own today on today. Anybody that is going around to be lying against Bobiswa in the palace, I will soon open book to that place. I will soon open book to that place. Bobiswa have created job that Obaseki cannot create. Tomorrow, now Obaseki will go and destroy one of his store again. Niba bofia kule Obaseki ni yese izaga yuegbe. Izaga Allah wegbe. What's your nana table no man? Where do you know how many children Bobiswa has supported? Do you know how many children are eating in Bobiswa house? Why do you want to bring problem to that man who have cleaned his hand, washed his hand for all atrocity, and followed the right way of law? Huh? Then you want to return him back. Anyone that is heavy Bobiswa, his head will destroy you. All his children he have, all their head will destroy you. In Jesus' mighty name. Iwe tewena no women era no migo tanu rie mo bonu ya lo we Bobiswa. Unwe Bobiswa agbo we ogbota. Ogbe wa ye yore. Era no migo kai we Bobiswa ge omoni ya ogun yen pon iwari e mo ise do. Iyobo ihera me. I know what that man did. Igbo ma yesi. Omo no we say no man tak no one. Igbo ma yesi. Oma me go pa no kamo me. 1 penny did he give me? 1 penny he did. Go and ask him. I'm not owing him. He's not owing me. His house. He's the only house I can go and sleep. And they will wake up. I will sleep. He will knock in my room. 3 a.m. in the morning. I will get up. I won't be afraid. Because I trust him. If you like, go and tell him. Now you trust. Help us. Make we find we will take get him. Now lie, you go fail. He not going to listen to you. You go fail. All about your boy on it. So for those who are there crucifying Chifadu, can you imagine? A boy say a Tony Kabaka, a Bonadu, a Tony Hame, a boy say, we're going to not tell me not only about life. Tony Father Kabaka himself is a honorable man. I love Era, Iwa Wemon, Villa Wemon. O man no pano me, or your power man, or Eva woman. Saba Jomorios and gave a looking Minorios Angera. A Tony Orios and Antonio Orios Angera knows I lie. Ozan ala we monobi ori ozan go e gba we nenu ari agbon ozan ala we gbe Anthony adu ozan ala we gbe ozan o kan ala gbo ozan o ru gera unwo kan aya mo era mo ga bo itun mo ga bo egbenu ye mo ga bo ozan ala we gbe ku weke nu ge bolo na no ro ye me ozan ala wa va gbe e me la ta e mata na o ma efo ve lo wi ke me ye vie ma ke me ne ye via wo la pa ke me ne I me ri ke ni me se wa ni Nimere o maifo o even wa gbelewe do Fulani help me wa gigere no do we agbelo won Fulani help me wa gibekere imetamu wana agaro ye media adu we ke do kind of here because I am no sunu I am no. How can you, my own brother, my own uncle, who make me what I am? Non se o mawu. But any other working away. Palo von twagaji. What we call it? Ya te wa gbe wu. Ya te wa gbe o what we ga ri na se we gbo. Very well Emmanuel Paul gbele. Yaga working. They say work. They got to no moody anyway. They say work. And people they want to be close to you. Where they make care woman. Who feel where all you meant to get me. I've been up with them. I've been always in them. I remember what's that. A woman, Mosa. Oh, not here, one of my young man. Anthony, maybe more was that. May oh, one day. When he made the owner of Yard is okay. What he do, I come in a way I be more. A one of the regular my bubble not been on. Even the one my case in a diary. But really, Yari was a look spirit of Vitalani. So, who are when you are woman? Who ladia, who how my own be one? Or back your boy. But who ladia? Simple, who are way woman. But where you are gay gangy, well, ladia. A knock banana will not buy a plan where Moku gather is sorting an amigo. Two of them when plan, even talking for online. When plan made them bring it an amigo down, two of them today, they be God have given them fight. They are now fighting themselves. Me, I'm just watching. I know they enjoy them. They pay me. Because normally, even when I come out to defend the other one, he first come, hey, God don't say to you with and they fight. You know, look at these people. Jealousy, now I know how to write nothing. When I was helping your leader, you people came and be writing rubbish on my page. God don't start that. Now I leave. You think that boy won't face me? You know go face me. What do you want face me for? You know go face me. Because Ogun abagbenek mano, Ogun me. Oh, what compete? Veru wamana imia. E beg wa here beg. O wa here imia. E gbina pa no ego ria yen wa o gbina me. Yen be gwa lo obi ge raya no si kakobi si ro pa mi pe. When you have no become before you challenge me, think how many people don't attack an amigo who are living normal life today? No one. Calamity, cause upon cause. We will rain on you. The tiger, the lion. We will rain on you. We will rain. We don't play. We don't play. Cause upon cause. Cause is called traditional justice. Traditional justice is the peacemaker. Why what your body? Iga me your pani way one my wama. Ima your pani way. Etu zelan popo. Unwo ayamu e pisi waro. Abibinima, I know the fear. And they say the truth. I'm from Igodo land. Igwo badole, I they work for the palace, I they help of not bad money. They feed me. You know they pay me salary. And they work for them. Now free. Now my papa. I volunteer myself for the palace. You volunteer yourself for the palace. Let us work together and face Edo State. Don't be a hypocrite. Hypocrisy have no place in people freedom movement. Today you say an amigo, he do this, or tomorrow another person do it. You say, make them leave that one, make it not do one. How your life be? You want to give you. How your life be? You say you are a graduate. You come, you speak, blah, 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 blah. Come and speak that to America and see if they will even hear one English. They will not even hear. A lecturer come from college of education came to America. They fired him because he could not count money. He didn't know how, they told him, you don't know how to count money and we do not understand your English. Then he called me and said, many lecturer have a me, the whole lecturer, America way, you know, I told you. This is not college of education, college of no education, we have seen the impact of college of education. Arrogant. That is what they produce. Social media terrorists. That is what qualification Ekadolo brought. If I went to qualification, I will call that boy to order. But I will leave him because I will not be here. So I will let him do whatever I want to do. If you are expecting an amigo, you want to use me and didn't lie, I'm not the top put again. You don't finish. I mind my own business. As in mind your own business, I mind my own business. Una know as nothing meet, una go settle. Now peace, now me a day. Peace. I love every Edo people. Why didn't we? When I started, I embraced everybody with open heart. But every people I embraced, they put name on my head. They were naming it, boy. At the end of the day, I'm the only one standing. Mokba wa me peace, you know. Iwa akoro me. A fire wa return fire. Return fire. I will urge all members to rain curse on you. You see that audio note. The founder of that audio note now, PFN. The founder for audio course na PFM. Now we sabi am, now we know na our job. Now audio course we there. We go release am to Buhari. We go release am to Obaseki. We go release am to Dangote. Who are you? We go release am to Commission Inspector General of Police. Everyone else saying Mwebok be Dangote, Mwebok be Commissioner, Mwebok be Dungara, whatever it is. Abietu. What they call him? Oshomule boy. Speaker of Edo State House Assembly. That one done it. Person when Speaker of Assembly, Papa. Take Juju say make a key, not kill, and I you want more boys say you want company. Me, Dungara, with House of Edo State House of Assembly, the Speaker, you know we don't follow because of me. He not work for him. He know the work. He know Juju Kabaka get money rich. He try every way. He don't go Juju tired. They call me my grandpapa appear for water. Now they wrong. Now you want small boy say you want control. You don't lay curse on me, now fine. If your cause kill me, I for not fail. Say me my people curse you. So that means what you believe in, like my secretary said, what you believe in, you believe that your juju can kill. If it was a weapon, you are the one that aimed weapon at me first. I didn't call you. You even tell people I didn't do you anything. Say that people persuade you. And we don't already know people will persuade you. So you pointed your Susumaye to me. It's a gun, it's a weapon. And that gun, you fire it. It didn't work. Then now I cry out. And the rest people say, okay, they still bring their Susumaye, now you they run. You they run to police. You not see police that time. When they concern police, concern you, Susumaye. When palace have laid course, say, nobody to do courtesy. You went to police, say, now police can rescue you. Police way want rescue you. You and your AIG make Ogun kill all of them together. Useless AIG. You this how they fear anybody. All this rubbish police officer, criminals, corrupt officers, like Ibrahim Idris, Inspector General of Police. I beg, any of you two people when want to carry this thing, just not write my title, just write anything put. Because I see you now, I will just paste, copy, paste. Why I don't know I want to personally thank Nigeria Watch. God bless you. May God bless you, Nigeria Watch. You know, I love when you send people something and you do it. You are fair. You are fair. You don't join people. You don't join me. You are just fair and fair. That is it. That's all I want. God bless you. God bless you, Nigeria Watch. Continue to watch Nigeria Watch. That is the truth. Danny Yaji is there. May God bless you. You know what I'm saying? And don't be copying my title. Just write your own Danny Yaji. Stop copying. Right. Sometimes I want to write title. Then, you know, this smartphone, another word will just enter. It's wrong. Then they will just copy, they will go and put it there again, and it will be wrong. Me, I will come back and correct my own, and you cannot correct yours. That is called laziness. Stop copying my title. Write whatever you want to write on it. People Freedom Movement is the most peaceful movement in the globe as I speak. Most peaceful movement. This boy that is doing red now let me just remove it to tell you that give me 1 second. Just give me 1 second. Because some people, when you give them opportunity, they abuse it. See, Andy Mack. Andy Mack. ANDY MACK. You are the only one that is giving red area. Mami, you Suza when you sorry. Only one. And immediately I leave this online, I will block your ass, motherfucking ass. Andy, Mark, you are the only one that came here. You will never have a child in your life. You are the only one that come here and be giving red area. Only you, among 300 people. Only you. Only you. You know, say you be bad. And these people, when they give red hair, you see their life. They not be bad. You go put baby put. See baby when you go put. See him. And if this child is not your child, you will never have a child in your life. For you to use somebody a child picture to commit atrocity in PFM TV, atrocity will not be far away from you in Jesus' mighty name. Calamity upon calamity. That fake name, when you enter Facebook, your life will continue to be fake in Jesus' mighty name. I am not a pastor. For those that are saying that he go carry Bible, he go they swear, I tell you, so I'll be pastor. I'll be prophet. Prophet not this way. Prophet not this way. If, let me tell you, the last person you want to try is me. If I love you, don't abuse it. When you abuse it, you are done. You are done. If I trust you 100%, Akataka. When one area, in morning, that aside. So let me go to the last leg. Share this video, brothers and sisters. Share it. Go ahead and share it because we never know if it's going to be there. But however, go ahead and share it. So let me come back to United States before Nigeria. United States Air Force struck Syria chemical weapon site with US BGM-1-109 Tomahawk missile and B-2 bomber. As a father of a United States Air Force intelligence officer, I am so proud of the United States military. May God bless America. It has shown that the Russians know how to rake the blah, blah, blah. The Russians said, every missile American will send to Syria, they will bring it down. They failed. Trump told them, talk and do. Wait for the smart missile. And they came. So, the Russia, they are failures. So, for those that are rushing to Russia and China, you are wasting time. Rush to the West. To the West, the French, the Americans, the Germans. That is where you should go. Instead of you to go and bring one Nigerian political leader who go to China to come and build railway, that railway will get stuck. What life is that? You see how the Russian anti-missile system failed. They used billions of oil money to do it. It failed. America unleashed more than 100. Look at it. I'm watching it. Look at it. From, see it, boom, the fire. Look at it right now. I'm watching it on CNN. You see it. See, boom. Look at it. Light. They will light you like a firecracker. Nobody dare it. That is the message we are sending to Benin and we are sending to Abuja. The youth will come out in full force in 2019 and 2020 and vote your ass out, just like America vote chemical weapon out of Syria. And I want to appeal to security men in Nigeria. If you don't know what you are doing, resign. Resign. Don't fake yourself and be there. I'll be police, I'll be this, I'll be army, I'll be this. You begin to use Koboko. They beat small children for street. Real fight come, you know if you fight. Which kind of matter be that? Then political leaders. How can Oshomole will just came into power? Oshomole will came into power less than 8 years. Oshomole will be almost a billionaire. Look at the airline. Oh, Adam Oshomole. Let me show you. I posted this a few days ago because when I saw what Oshomole have done to Edo State, I started to be crying. I started to be crying. What Oshomole did to Edo State, what is paining me now is that Oshomole that money, Oshomole did not even leave that money for his children. Oshomole left that money for a Kevedian. You know what I'm saying? A Kevedian. How many times I shared this thing? Hey, whoa, I shared it on the wrong place. Hey, I got be. Oh, God. Let me quickly do this again. So, that is it. I am coming to that. I'm not going to rush over this. I want everyone to listen to this music and support this girl. This girl, she's a very sweet girl. Support this girl, support her. GJ is what they call her. Support her. Support her. Good music, I love it. Support her, whatever you have. If Techno or Timaya are doing it their head correct, they're supposed to support this girl. Okay. God bless you, GJ. I don't know you in person. I want you to know that I love your music. I love your passion. When I saw your tears on Facebook, YouTube, Naija Watch, I felt bad. I came out, to speak to those who want to bring you down. So you are never going to go down. Just thank God Almighty with the voice God have given you. I want you to be strong for yourself. You owe nobody explanation. Don't explain to nobody. Mind your business. Play your music. Do what you are doing. If anyone doesn't like it, they should get the hell out of your page. Don't give nobody your password. Don't give nobody. I have done that before. They will crash you. Don't do it. I listen to it. From that day, I think we spoke for 5 years ago when I was in America one time. Then we spoke my member spoke with you some couple of years, maybe last year, I don't know. So we never met. So I'm just doing this on my own. Let me quickly go to Adam Oshomole, corruption. Adam Oshomole created an airline called Adam Ford Airline. That is the last name of Oshomole's wife. And this airline cost Adam Oshomole $920 million. I repeat, $920 million. It was just 80 shy away from $1 billion. How can Oshomole, did any smart or educated people ever ask this question? How can Oshomole achieve this weight under 8 years or 8 years without sucking the progress of Edo people? How? Ask yourself. How much billion Obaseki have collected as well? If Oshomole, 8 years, Lucky Menedion did not do this. I think Lucky man. We know Lucky is not good. Governor Lucky Menedion is bad. But we know that. But he did not do this. But yet, you still have all this Edo youth with their mediocre way of thinking. Because this same Edo youth have a myopic mind. They don't see through They don't see true future. Their own way of living, myopic way of living. That is how they are stupid, they are dumb, they are not educated. They claim they are educated. They went to university, pamphlet education. Pamphlet. You cannot question your state governor. How did you accommodate? Do you think if in the next 20 years, if any governor come, they can go back to the book and ask, we pray that this money should be kept so that we can retrieve this money from Oshomole and Obaseki. Two of them will pay you. Yeah, return it. You will return all this money. You will return it. If any People Freedom Movement member become a governor, those your wealth, we're going to share it to market women. We will collect this money. It's not going to state treasury. We're going to share the money to the poor people. Spread the wealth. Administration is coming. Help is coming. We're going to spread that wealth. We will spread it among the poor people. Our guy. Esa not, Esa etc. Ovia not, Ovia this. Share your money. 10 million naira. Go and start your business. 10 million. He will still be surplus. Share 10 million to 4 million of those state citizens. He will still be left over. Those that are in abroad, come and invest. This is money. Be using to trade. Trade to Abidjan. Trade to Ghana. Be doing trading. Coming to Benin. I will share the whole money from the governor. I will collect the money, collect the houses. I will share it. I will share it. Iwa me away. A stroke of pain. So continue to embezzle, Obaseki. Continue to embezzle. It does not mean that me in particularly can be the. If you don't let me be, my person will just be there. You won't even know it. You will not even know it. Yeah, tama. Omana stroke a pain. Omana me away. Mawa yogunya. But mawa yogunya. Susu maye. Mawa yanya. Oba have approved my cause. The Oba of Benin. He approved it 100%. Oba approved it 100%. I work for the palace. Really do I am man. Hey, Wani. There's nothing you can do about it. Palace is supporting you. You say your boy said you are carrying the palace along. Me, I'm not carrying palace along. Palace is carrying me along. I am working for them with no pay. And I cannot carry them along. I will continue to work for them. You know, if I bought loud, so that is it, brothers and sisters. So, amen. Let me not stay long. Comrade Newty, my son, is going to be online today. I want to thank Stanley Yonawan. God bless you. Like I announced last year, that I'm going to promote you. One of our members in London, when they want to do a burial, he called Stanley Yonawan. He said, our mega comrade said we should be carrying you. Stanley Yonawan just cut the money into almost to half. I don't know what Stanley Yonawan, people should send this video to him. God bless you. And I want to tell people, continue to support Stanley Yonawan. Stanley O, continue to support him. If you need him to come and play for you, carry him. Baba, Samori Joseph, Baba, thank you so much. And I cannot be able to call you. I called you the other day. Now we're not yaku. Oh, okay, you are free. But Yana do come and where Yamagwale there. Why is second? Ya when ya Baba Lao. So Osalobo Adebawe. For you, for me to just call you 1 minute, you say, if you have any other dance, you suffer for free. Ambassador Samori Joseph, may you live long. Osalobo Adebawe. God bless you. I love you so much. I want you to know I remain humble to you. No matter what, you know me. I know how to avoid unnecessary, unwanted attention. I know how to do it. So I want to thank every member of People Freedom Movement who have supported us, who continue to support us. And I want to give a shout out to the former chairman of the Nigeria Association in Bologna, who called me yesterday through my son. I want to thank my son as well. I don't know if anyway, I can still call his name. Is my son, Okoti. May you live long in Bologna. As you continue to be loyal to the Oba of Benin, to be loyal to the Edo culture, to be loyal to the progress of Edo State. May you continue to live long. What is good in you, I will keep it. What is bad in you, I will face it. So we are there to sanitize. The people that have called me Bologna, who have interest, I want you all to know Bologna is my second home. I love Bologna. Nobody can chase you away from your home. Italy is my second home. So I love Bologna, I love Rome, I love Milano, Italy in general. I love Italy. So that is it. I have listened to you, what I said. I'll let it go. I'll let it go. I'll leave everything for God. Simple. I'm not going to continue to litigate on rubbish, you know. So as far as there's no other attention, and I want to warn anybody, mind your business, stay away from PFM, because if you come close to us and you continue want to use us as a handkerchief, we will use the handkerchief to rub your eye. You will blind you. It's not by talk. We did not even do anything. I just said, people, let me tell you, we did not. If we want to blind you, we will blind you 1 minute. We get everything. Native doctor, we get them. And for those who believe in traditional medicine, I want to announce this today. We'll shock to everybody. We have a member who have come to me who said he doesn't know anything. Said the only thing he knows is traditional medicine. If anyone that is sick, if you have problem, help me call a PRO. He will direct you. I have no hands in it. And we have a pastor who has a church in Napoli. He's a man of God. Humphrey, Pastor Humphrey. So you can start visiting his church. You can start doing it. And for those who are hungry, looking for miracle, there's no miracle. Just only miracle comes from God. Find a way to do it in a legitimate way. So that is it. Work a little bit harder. I love you. And God bless the people of PFM. And I want to thank you all for supporting me. Destiny, I see you. God bless you. And I want to thank those that wish my wife birthday. Like I always say, I told you all my wife was the most beautiful woman in the world. Akataka. Oboseria. Olokun. Gbe owakbe. The Bible walk back. So God have always blessed me. So you can see, I just gave you a little taste. When you see a tiger and a lion, behind any successful man, there must be a woman. So you people should be careful. God has blessed me. I have no reason to be jealous of anyone. My wife is more prettier than any. You go to my shop, go to YouTube, look at it now. Just go down. It's natural. Hello makeup, nothing. There is no editing picture, nothing, makeup, zero, nothing. Everything natural. Zoom it. Beauty. Queen. So God has blessed me. Even the former one, the Igbo one that I left, Ifunanya, go and look at that picture to clean, queen. So God has always blessed me. I have no reason to be jealous of anybody. It's just that people are the one being jealous of me. But they don't want to come out and say they are jealous of Iranomigo. I have it all. God has blessed me. I can choose not to do this and stay home. My life will be good. I will be enjoying. You know what I'm saying? I will be enjoying. I will be enjoying. I will be enjoying. This is not photo shoot or this or that. This is my baby. My baby in Nigeria right now. There's no reason to hide it. This is him and her mother. This is not photo shoot, you see. So that is it. So God has blessed me. This is not this is the Igbo woman I left. This is how everybody know. You see that? So my wife now is more prettier than how everybody saw it. So God has blessed me. I work hard for everything I get. I'm not a lucky man. I don't believe in luck. I don't believe in luck. I take good care of women. I will go. My wife, I met her on a let me call it what we call savage yard. You know the meaning of savage yard? Or when I went and low, go on dia. I will send up my way. Yeah, BF you no lele. Now we can from one place to another. I dollar that I brought her in that dollar. Today now, if I be again, boy, if my boyfriend that 1 minute away, he me lose. I don't know who you. Feast your wife. Feast your wife to your taste. Feast it to your taste. Dollar ye. Oh, the cream she's using is $5. $5 cream. $5. They buy them for Walmart. We are using the same lotion. $5. What did they call that lotion, Destiny? What did they call her? We have here a lotion. Caro White. She not they use Caro White. Oh. She know they use Caro White. You know they are our dictionary. Not they are our dictionary. Face your wife. Your wife, black beauty, can be black beauty. My American woman, if you see him, heavy load. Oh, you buy. Oh, Saloba Wamudiam. Near Nanya, ye will be where ye only guy figure, oh, guy black beauty. Queenie, oh, I had 2 neck with no ramen. You idiot, take. You idiot, he take. You idiot, he take. Niazel, girlfriend, the little, he was in Iowa. What dolly, what dolly, Pieleme, Pieleme, Guavon Boy, or Bartok, but he may wow where to go. T-way, or bomb in our way, or whatever. So if you take it and amigo have a problem with you, go and report me to the palace. It's only palace you will report me that I will answer you, not useless Nigerian police. I will lay curse on the Inspector General. I will lay curse on them. Continue. If you think I have a problem with me, go to Oba Palace. Why are you going back? I talk about Baba or by whoever me. Go and report me. If you say that I'm going to insult you, go tell our Abasa I insult you. Never know me way back. Why not say about them? My Baba. Yamari and Dollar do ye or Dollar do ye. How do you know when we talk? Case closed. Case closed. So, Dan Obi. Hey, kitty. Okay. Anyway, let me off this so that my children can play here. You know, we are still in what I was going to show a while ago. Oh, I have it here. Okay, let me quickly show. If you have not joined People Freedom Movement, I will be in Italy on the 20th. If you need your ID card, this is an opportunity for you to just do it and get it instantly. If not, you will be waiting for it to. This is the new ID card that is going to be coming out. You can see it right now. This is the new ID card. You can see it right now. This is the new ID card. PFM, new ID card. So you can see all ID card expire in June. This is the new ID card. You can see they wrote it there, identification card. I showed people last time. This one, I'm not the one doing this. We order for it. If you want it, you send all your credentials. We order for it. They will bring it. We're going to be doing it 20-20 or 50-50, 100-100. That's how we're going to do this. So it's not like the other one. But if you need ID card now, call Blessing or call Anita. Let me bring out their number. Please, Anita, if you are there, write their number. Destiny, if you know their number, help me put it there. If any admit there, if Ambassador Blessing is there, put it there. And I want people to know that PFM does not control the job you do, or provided you are not doing anything criminal activity. Whatever you are doing that make you happy, that's freedom for us. So for those that are calling me, tell this man make you not do this work. When did that become a job restrictor? I'm pretty freedom. Why can't anything you want to do? I'm 100% in support of that. Don't use anybody to make money. Use yourself and do it. And for those who have already released due to the way our Oba has spoken, don't go back to road and say you want to go and walk. That is the fact. Don't go back. And if you are a PFM member and you say gossiping is going to be your way, gossiping will hunt you out of PFM. It will hunt you out. Gossiping will hunt you out. You cannot continue to try to form alliance to destroy others. It will hunt you out. So that is it. For those people who have given Jennifer Sunday, please call Jennifer Sunday. Your ID card is ready. Call Jennifer Sunday. She's ready to mail it to everyone. Call her as soon as possible. Please, please, please do that. Who is this? I don't understand what you are writing about YouTube. So that is it. I think rest in peace, the pastor that was killed by Fulani herdsmen. You can see these are all my licenses. I carry them everywhere I go except my badge. I forgot it. before I left America, I put it in my free, on top of my free. You can see these are licenses. These are all licenses. These are different licenses. These are different licenses. These are different licenses. 3 licenses. I can work with any of these. Private investigator, what they call it, commission officer, what they call it, bodyguard, special, I have it all. So level 4, whatever you call it, or level 3, I have it all. So I don't talk the talk, I walk the walk. This is it. In when I every football, man, yeah, anything we are, it was real like that, you want anything. You say it's every 2 years. We will be here, you do exam, if you pass, you get it. If you don't pass it, you leave it. State of Texas cannot just issue you something that they know you are not capable of doing. So that is it. As everybody mind their business, I mind my business. God bless everyone. Andrew, you just call me. Write their number of Blessing and Anita. Write their name, their number, Ambassador Blessing and Anita. Please put it there. I think they are at work. Andrew, please quickly write it there. Let people see it. Hold on, let me see if I can find the number out. I think I just spoke with Anita today. Let me just let me find it out. And
you're my damn self. You're my priceless gold. No be private. If you want to Versace, ask for Gucci, sweet mama, I go buy for you. I'm not be taking over me and you go where to watch it. Mama, enter my machina, make a drive to go to church. Mama, mo yege, sweet mama, your love taking me. Mama, mo yege. Mama, your love they sweet me. Mama, mo yege.
okay. Thank you. If you want to join People Freedom Movement to have the new ID card, you need to call Ambassador Blessing. Her number is +39 35 12 17 4413. I repeat, +39 351 217 4413. And if you want to call the second number, Mama Anita, +49 1521 03057 57. I repeat, +49 1521 0305757. Thank you. And don't wait for you to have an interview for immigration before you start rushing paper. I need ID card, I need ID card. It's not quick. So don't wait. If you know you are waiting for your interview to go to immigration, get your card. You go there, let them know this is what you are. I promise you, God Almighty will help you out. So that is it. I love you. And for those, if you know GJ, tell her not to explain herself to nobody. That I'm one of the Edo people who love her, okay? I love her. I love her music. I stand with her. The oppression that they are oppressing her, whenever they oppress her, we are not going to tolerate it. And we are going to fight back on social media. She's not a member of PFN. She don't even like PFN. But we defend the defenseless. You know, we protect those that cannot protect themselves. And we are the voice of the voiceless. So that is it. God bless you, and I love you. Enjoy yourself. Thank you. Wait for my song, PRO. So it's going to be out in a few minutes. Destiny, God bless you. I love you. So that is it. Thank you.
You're my fantasy. You're my baby boo. Anything you wanted, Mama, I go do for you.
Amen. I'm telling you, the PFN I call on Destiny, I did Joe. PFN don't stand me. Oh. By this time, I forgot they form a canal brigade now. Or I go day police officer max. They eat dry fish pepper soup. Akataka. About the boy, we are one night boy. Akataka. Hey, for those that help me, that send a happy birthday to my wife yesterday, God bless you. I love you all. I love you all. Even some, no. I'm so happy. My Papa Odigie in Toronto, Canada. The great man, Papa Odigie. God bless you. Shout out to Odigie in Toronto, Canada. Toronto. I mean, I'm Mara of Webby. Pa Odigie, God bless you. Mega Comrade, love you people. And my sister, Sister Anne, mercy, God bless you. I love you all so much. I love you all so much. All PFM members, I love everyone. God bless you all. That's it. Wow, everybody mind their business. You know, me, I love you. You all the perfect over here. Let me hear you go walk. I will grab with the hair towel. Oh, amen. For those that are looking for a husband, contact me. I have a list of men that are looking for genuine woman. If you know you are genuine, contact me. So we want you to stop prostitution, just marry. So that is why I'm involved in it. Stop it. How are you, Donomano? So if you are looking for a genuine husband, contact me. We'll match it together. So remember when I said last year that we were going to do PFM dating, but we are not ready for that now. We are just going to do it. I have list of men and women too, some women. If I find a match, I have matched some. I don't want to make sure they are happy today. So you don't pay nothing. It's free. Okay, I want to make you, but we know never the baby or lad don't never. While men, except I will protest it. Only if I want to do protesting. Only if I want to do protesting. My members are doing great. Support this girl. I want to even know my year. People we don't want good thing. I go hate this girl. Receive sense. Thank you. God bless you.